Here we have another genuine ball shaped lamp. This is the 40 watt version, Argenta, which means silver like. Only in the one language. Made in Holland. We've got the voltage 220, 230. The cap E27 Philips Argenta. Let's have a look at the lamp. Surprise, surprise, it's made in that same factory, Weert I think it's called. There's the, when the camera decides to focus, the 6-pronged star with, I think it says B6, it's not very clear. It looks like B6. At least these etches you can read and you can see them. Once again, it's a continental etch, which seems to be a better quality than the etches produced in England. Some of the English etches just seem to vanish. 40 watt, made in Holland. It's got a nice brass base or cap, Edison screw. This says nothing about burning it upright. It is 40 watts, which is a little bit less than that last one we saw. So presumably it can be burnt in either direction. But we're going to burn it upright to show you it alight. So we'll have a little look at it. What I didn't do last time, I didn't turn the light off, so let's pop that in there. And then I've got to upload these. I'm hoping my computer will take all these. I'm having problems with the memory or the storage. Now, I'm not going too high with this because I said it won't. Once again, it's a silver light type, hence the name Argenta. Silver is Argentina, named after the fact that they discovered silver there. Argentina, Latin name for silver. There's the lamp, the light on its side, on the top. So quite a nice little lamp, and one which quickly heats up. So anyhow, recapping the Philips 40 watt Argenta lamp, and that's it alight. Anyhow, any questions please ask and I'll try and get back to them. I must admit I'm feeling a bit more merry now, so it's hopefully okay. I'm going to have a nice cup of tea. So anyhow, thanks again, and yeah, thanks.